roll my sleeves up because it's about to get serious. First of all, here's my disclosures. I'm a horrible storyteller, and I don't do videos like this. I just don't because I suck at telling stories. But I'm going to try my best, okay? I'm going to try my best. Alright, so first of all, let's talk about how she started around like 3 or 4 p.m. or whatever. And this is all she got, like these couple braids. So, and it's like 10 p.m. or it's like 10:30. It's late or whatever. And she has her 5-year-old son. She's like in her late 40s and she has her 5-year-old son. So, you know, it's getting late and stuff. You know, he's playing and you know, just playing, being a kid. That is fine. I'm not one of them people who, I don't want a kid to be a kid. Okay, I'm not that person. But, he's like making this loud noise. Like, imagine if I just take something and just drop it loud as hell. Like, it was hurting my ears. And it's my time of the month, y'all. It's literally my time of the month right now. Okay, so I was like, can you quiet down just a little bit? I literally said it like that. Can you quiet down just a little bit? He's like, okay. Like, it was fine. I'm like, all right, cool, thank you. So, like, maybe about, like, 15 minutes later, you know, he starts doing that dropping noise again. Like, he has this little Tonka toy or something. He's dropping it from up here down, and it's, like, loud. And I was like, ooh, you gonna have to quiet down. Like, it's quiet hours. Like, you know, I'm trying to be nice or whatever. And she, like, let him be. She literally said it like that. Let him be. Excuse me? Did I even mention this is my crib? She's at my house. She came from out of town. Didn't tell nobody. She was just like, hey, I want to stop by and say hi. I'm like, all right, cool. That ended up to her spending the night, which is until today. And now you're here. You're in my space.